y'all, welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So today is one of my favorite unboxing days. I know, I get all these subscriptions and this is one of my favorites. It really truly is. And that is VellaBox, because this is a candle subscription. And you guys, I think I've probably said quite a few times, I love anything that smells amazing. And these candles never disappoint. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about VellaBox, and then we'll get to see what we got for August 2019. So VellaBox delivers artisan candles to your door every month, which is awesome. From the finest American artisans to you. So you can choose from 3 different sizes. So they do have 3 different plans to kind of fit any budget. So they have their Lucerna box, where you receive a 4-ounce candle every month with about a 25-hour burn time. It is all of their subscriptions, all 3, you do receive like a little bonus item. So you would receive for $10 the 4-ounce candle and the bonus item. And again, that is the Lucerna. Excuse me. Then they have the Ignis box, which is $20 a month, where you receive the 8-ounce candle and the little bonus goodie. And then they have the Vivere box, where you receive the 4-ounce and the 8-ounce plus the little goodie for $30 a month. And that is the one that I have here. So it says your boxes will be sourced and curated by candle experts. Your first box ships immediately, and following boxes ship on the 5th of every month. It says enjoy beautifully designed candles from a new artisan each month. You can prepay for 6 months and save 5%, or 12 months and save 10%. And I have a code for you guys. What? Yes, yay. So you can use promo code NICKI5, N-I-C-K-I 5. And you'll save $5 on your first box. So even if you just want to give them a try and get the Lucerna for $10, you could save $5. So I will put a link and their code, or my code, their link, my code down below. So check them out, get you some amazing smelling candles. And let's get in here and see what we got for August 2019. So it does come in like an outer box. I did take it out of that. And there's always this bright, beautiful yellow box. And then when you open it, there is always a beautiful picture with a quote on the inside. And this says, "The world is big and I want to have a good look at it before it gets dark." John Muir. So that is awesome. And then here in the box, this is one thing I love, is all of their candles come in these cute little canvas bags. Sometimes they have a print, and then this month they're just a plain canvas bag, which in itself is super adorable. So let me find the card. So there's always a little card that will tell us about the artisan that they worked with this month. And then I see our little goodie. So it looks like our candles are from Ranger Station. That is awesome. Just the name is awesome to me. They're from Nashville, Tennessee. And their website is rangerstation.co. And you could use the code VellaBox at checkout for 25% off a purchase on their website. So that is awesome. All right, so these are all Ranger Station's products are created to enhance the moments and experiences, vegan, paraben, and phthalate free. Awesome. All right, so let's get started. We will start with our bigger 8-ounce candle right here. And this says oak moss. Fragrance notes are bergamot, cedar, and red amber. And then this is what it looks like. This one thing I really love about all of the VellaBox candles is their minimalist packaging. They're just beautiful by themselves. They don't need fancy packaging. So let's see what else it says about this. Created to be reminiscent of the moment after a storm clears, when the sun shines through to unleash a palpably fresh, warm, and earthy scent from the forest floor. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, y'all. That smells so good. When I saw cedar, I'll be honest, I was a little nervous because one scent I just really do not care for, especially, and it comes out at Christmas time, is like pine, like Christmas tree. So when I saw cedar, I was like, but this smells so good. To me, honestly, it kind of smells like a really good smelling men's body wash or something. Like, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Oh. Yes. So oak moss is our 8-ounce candle for August. And then we have our 4-ounce candle, which is santalum. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Let's see. Fragrance notes are ambergris, amyris, and amber resin. Known to regularly charm passerbys with its captivating musk, this fragrance is a carefully mastered take on a sandalwood-centric scent. I love amber, so. Oh my gosh. You guys, that smells so, oh my gosh. This might be one of my favorite candles I have ever gotten from them. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, that smells so good. I could smell that all day long. In fact, I probably will, because I probably light it. Just being honest. Seriously, this is literally probably my favorite candle from VellaBox ever. That smells so good. I mean, the oak moss smells absolutely amazing. Like I said, it kind of reminds me really of like a really good smelling men's body wash. But this just, oh, smells so good. Ugh. All right, so let's move along. All right, so our little bonus goodie is from Greenwich Bay Trading Company. This is a fresh milk and shea butter soap. Oh, it's made in Raleigh, North Carolina, so right up the road from me. Well, about 2 hours up the road, but that's okay. American soap maker. I can smell it. I can smell it from over here. American soap maker since 1962, Greenwich Bay Trading Company offers luxurious soaps and spa products. Enjoy this fan favorite French milled vegetable soap enriched with creamy buttermilk and shea butter. Awesome. So that's like really, I mean, this packaging and the smell, like this is about to go on display or something in my bathroom. That smells so good. Now some examples of other types of bonus little gifts that we've gotten. We have gotten lotion, like hand creams, chapsticks, candy, like Ghirardelli chocolates. Yes. It's just always a little, you never know. It's always, I mean, something amazing, something extra and fun and awesome, in addition to wonderful candles and these cute little canvas bags. I mean, these are good quality canvas bags. You could repurpose these. I just love this subscription so much. Like I said, you can get plans starting at $10. It's $10 for a 4-ounce candle plus a bonus goodie. It is $20 for the 8-ounce candle plus a bonus goodie, or $30 for both candles and the goodie. So I will definitely put a link down below. So go check them out, go sign up, get you some awesome candles. You guys, I bet you with fall coming up, in fact, I know with fall coming up, there are going to be some amazing scents. Oh, amazing. So again, I will put a link down below as well as the promo code Nikki5, N-I-C-K-I 5, to save you $5 off your first box. You can't beat it. So all of that will be down below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.